Good day, everyone. In today's digital age, internet access almost essential for academic success. But what happens when access is limited and comes with a price? I am Anthony Gistopa and my partner Mart Alcuntin to introduce our topic, the impact of Piso Wi-Fi usage on grade 12 students' academic performance in La Mesa National High School. The affordability and accessibility of Piso Wi-Fi made a popular choice of Filipino. Piso Wi-Fi played a significant role of students' daily lives. This report aims to investigate the relationship between student access to Piso Wi-Fi and students' achievement. Second is methodology. Data was collected through surveys of 10 grade 12 students in La Mesa National High School. The survey gathered feedback on the students' relationship of access and Piso Wi-Fi and their achievement. So we gathered data through these questions. So first question is, how does the availability of Piso Wi-Fi include students' engagement and learning? Number 2, what are the financial implications of Piso Wi-Fi access for students and their studies? Third one is, what is the relationship between access to Piso Wi-Fi and academic performance among the grade 12 students? The last one is, did Piso Wi-Fi users have higher grades than non-users? Yes or no, and why? So after done questioning the students, these are the results that come up. All the 10 students find Piso Wi-Fi helpful to their studies. 6 out of 10 students answered that it depends on the users. 4 out of 10 students, they use it as an advantage.
That Piso Wi-Fi can have a significant impact on students' academic performance. Both positivity and negativity, and affordable internet access is really important for students who have a financial problem access to it. And those students don't have internet at home. It's not all about internet, it's about students use it. This report focused on a grade 12 student at La Mesa National High School, how Piso Wi-Fi usage affects their academic journey. In conclusion, Piso Wi-Fi can be good or bad for student learning. It depends on how they use it. While it can be a valuable tool for enhancing learning and engagement, it also presents potential risks if not used responsibly. This report shows us a student need to know how to use Piso Wi-Fi safely and wisely to get the most out of it, of avoid any bad effects. Recommendation: promote responsibility internet use. Educate the student about the potential negative and positive effects of it. Encourage the student to prioritize academic activities and use Piso Wi-Fi strategically for learnings only. 2. Free Wi-Fi in a library. This provides a safe and good space for students in La Mesa National High School to study and complete their assignments.